Hello, my name is Jacqueline LaFlamme from jacquelinelaflamme.com. Today we're going to learn how to draw a jasmine flower. It's a very delicate little Japanese flower. So we're going to start out putting in our little center points. From here we're going to start to lay out all the petals. So slowly but surely we're going to start with our first petal and just keep working our way, keeping in mind where the center is. We're just going to lay out petal by petal. They don't need to be so perfect because if you think about nature, nature just kind of grows randomly. So we're just going to put in our random petals, one by one, all around the center of the flower, just like that. Now that we have our petals laid out, we can work on the stem. So we'll just pull a little line down, coming down here, and then another line, and we'll stop about halfway, and we'll add in a nice pretty leaf, just halfway down the center of the stem, and then just pull that stem down. And we'll come over here and add another little branch and show some little buds on the side. If you think of a jasmine flower, it has the main petals, but then it also has these little buds coming off the sides on the stems. And then we'll just add another leaf in here, just like this. We can add a little bit of detail in the leaf, just coming down, a few more little details. And very quickly, we can just take some green and add some green into the stem just by following those lines down. This is just something that you can do really nice and quick. And again, just pulling in the lines in the leaves just to bring out some of the detail. And bring out that detail, and you can just add some very quick lines. And again, add some of this green just to the little buds. And then if you like, in the petals, you can just pull the lines really quickly just to give a little bit of a 3D effect in the petals. You see how quick and easy that is? You just take your marker and you're just pulling those lines. And just like that, with a few strokes, you get a nice 3D effect in the flower. And to finish off, we'll just do a little bit of a darker green and just pull that darker green through the stem. And just like that, you have a very beautiful jasmine flower. Thank you very much. This is Jacqueline LaFlamme.